Good morning students. I welcome you all for my today's online session. Course is Microcontrollers and Application. Program is Mechatronics Department. And the today's course outcome is interfacing of ADC with 8051 microcontroller. The contents to be covered in today's session are pin diagram of ADC 0804, introduction to ADC 0804, interfacing of ADC with 8051 microcontroller, steps for converting analog input to digital output, and algorithm related to this. Let's see the contents in detail. This is the pin diagram of ADC 0804. This ADC 0804, it is having 20 pins and it is dual inline package. And the main pins which is to be noted here is data pins from DB0 to DB7. So it is 8-bit data input, and the other important pins here are control chip select, that is CS, RD, read, and WR, write. And one more important thing here is all these pins, chip select, read, write, all these pins are active low signals. So whenever we will give 0 as the input, it will be active. So introduction about ADC 0804. ADC 0804 is 8-bit successive approximation analog to digital converter. And the features of ADC 0804 are, it is 0 to 5 volt input voltage range, built-in clock generator, and reference voltage can be externally adjusted to convert smaller analog voltage to digital output. That is, and the digital output is of 8-bit resolution. And this is about the main topic in this today's session, that is interfacing of ADC with 8051 microcontroller. This is the block diagram of interfacing 8051 microcontroller with ADC 0804. And the main pins which is to be seen here is the ports. Here we are using port 1 and port 2. Port 1 from P1.0 to P1.7, it is connected to data of ADC 0804. That is, the connection is like P1.0 is connected to D0, and similarly P1.1 is connected to D1. Similarly, it is connected up to P1.7, it is connected to D7. So all the 8 pins of port 1 of 8051 microcontroller is connected to data pins of ADC 0804. Other than port 1 pins, we are making use of port 2 pins, like port 2.5, that is the 5th pin of port 2 is connected to read of ADC 0804, and P2.6, that is the 6th pin of 8051 microcontroller port 2, it is connected to write of ADC 0804. And one more very important pin here is P2.7, that is the 7th pin of second port is connected to interrupt of ADC 0804. This is how it is connected with 8051 microcontroller. So this is about the block diagram, how 8051 microcontroller is connected to ADC 0804. Now let's see the steps for converting the analog input to digital output in ADC 0804. The steps to be followed here are, first we should make CS equals to 0 and send a low to high pulse to right pin to start the conversation. So after the first step, now keep checking the INTR pin, that is the interrupt pin. If INTR will be 1 if conversation is not finished, and INTR will be 0 if conversation is finished. And the next step is, if conversation is not finished, it holds until it is finished. Then finally, if conversation is finished, interrupt goes low and we will go to the next step. Algorithm related to ADC 0804 is configure port 1 as input port and P2.5 and 2.6 as output port and connect P2.7 as interrupt. Through P2.6 port, send 0 to write and read INTR continuously, then enable read signal, read data D0 to D7 on port 1, then finally display digital data. These are the steps related to algorithm. So MCQ is related to interfacing of ADC with 8051 microcontroller. We will be discussing few questions related to it here. The first question here is ADC 0804 is dash pin DIP. So students, you know that initially I have explained about it. It is a 20 pin DIP. So answer here is 20. So next question is ADC 0804 is an dash bit successive approximation analog to dash converter. You know that ADC, it stands for analog to digital converter. So here the answer is dash bit is 8 bit and the converter here is the analog to digital converter. And the next is send a dash to dash pulse to right pin to start the conversation. Here we are sending a low to high pulse. So next question is enable dash pin to start read operation. So what we are enabling here to start the read operation? RD signal. We are enabling the RD signal to start the read operation. So let's discuss few more MCQs here. Why 2 pins for ground are available in ADC 0804? And the options are, first option is for controlling ADC ADC 0N0 and ADC 0N1 register for controlling. Second option is for controlling the analog and digital pins of the controller. Third option is for both parts of chip respectively, and the fourth option is for isolate analog and digital signal. And the right answer for this question is option D. The 2 pins grounded, the 2 ground pins are used for isolate analog and digital signal. And the next question is, what is the function of WR pin? You all know that WR, it stands for right pin, and the options here are, first option is it activate high input used to inform ADC 0804 to end the conversation. Second option is it active low input used to inform ADC 0804 to the end of conversation. Third option is its active low input used to inform ADC 0804 to start the conversation. And the last option is its active high input used to inform ADC 0804 to start the conversation. So dear students, the right answer for this question is option D. It's active high input used to inform ADC 0804 to start the conversation. So thank you one and all for attending this online session.